Okay, Assalamu alaikum. And this video is a bit different because what I'm gonna do is I am recording myself, meanwhile learning new stuff every day. So I am trying to make this habit of learning at least like 15 minutes every day, and spending 15 minutes of my time every day on learning and reflecting new technical skills. So right now, currently, I'm focusing on Odoo, which is a open source ERP uh, uh, solution. Uh, they have an open source version and also the enterprise one. Um, I hope inshallah, maybe very soon we'll upgrade to the enterprise one, but I really wanted to test it out. So I've been playing with it for around 2 years now, and I'm using the CRM module very extensively, the CRM and sales module inside our company. And now, since we are growing, we have a couple of team members who are using it, and our needs are like naturally our needs are also growing. So I thought, like, why not customize? So first I thought, okay, why not go online and find someone who can help us customizing it? And then I realized that why not uh, try and learn and do it myself? So I'll admit the system is very open, but it's very difficult to find documentation online. And somehow, I don't know, like I feel uh, the instructions provided by people online, like on YouTube or on different places, it's not that friendly. There are also some new concepts, and it's very different than web development. Like in web development, it's mostly client-server model. Here, it's more than that, and it was quite a shift in my learning curve. And I think, like, if I talk deeper about it, like, first of all, it was such a great finding for me when I came to know that, okay, I can add form views, I can add new fields into an existing form view. And when I say form view, I mean, let's say if there's a form where I can create a new customer, and I can easily add a a field there. Of course, I have to define the field first. So that was also something new. I have to go there, and I was also like I was surprised that, okay, I can create models on the fly, like within the system, and I don't have to open the database separately. So using the ERP, if I have the admin access, I can create a custom field, a model within the web, and it's like someone giving you access to the PHP MyAdmin and WordPress, and you can go there and create your own, let's say, columns in the table. But it's a bit different. In Odoo, we call them models, and you just go and create fields, and the rest is done by Odoo. And then I thought, okay, I'm creating a model now, and then now it should appear there on the front end. But yeah, I had to go there, and I was kind of expecting that I'll have to go to the because I'm coming from a web background, so in web you have to do everything, uh, unless you're using a framework such as Laravel or other kind of stuff. But in coming from a web background, so I thought that, all right, I'll have to go to the code and somewhere retrieve the field from the database, and that was so stupid of me. And so I came to learn, of course, by searching online on forums that, and then also noticing one friend that I was trying to help me out. That, okay, he showed me that how you can actually edit the form view, edit the view, and you reference the field that you created in the database, and the rest will be done by the Odoo. And I was like, wow, that's very easy. Like I can go and create uh, like from the front end as an admin, I can go and create fields, and I just have to reference them on the front end. And now that's it. Like everything is being done by Odoo. And that was like a huge learning point for me. Like it was I started using it extensively, like adding more fields and like I remember I created a button where where we can let's say if we want to follow up with a customer and we have their number there and if we want to I wanted to give my team the capability to follow up with customers through WhatsApp by just clicking on that button and then because we had the number saved. So the button will take the number and then open the WhatsApp URL for chatting. Doesn't sound that difficult, but yeah, it was a bit tricky and I added some JavaScript into it. So I'm doing meanwhile I'm doing it and then all of a sudden I realized that uh, when I will upgrade to the newer version, all of all of these changes will be overwritten. You know, like all of this stuff, I'm not documenting them, and I'll have to do it. I'll have to do them again. Like I was like, oh my God, that would be terrible. So I was thinking about it for quite a long time, and it was like it was giving me headaches because I knew that okay, I have to upgrade my game. I have to. I was avoiding creating modules because there was some stuff that I was not able to understand. Like I have been trying creating modules for 2 or 3 times, but I don't know. I keep getting blocked by these errors that are not friendly at all. Like I searched them online, there's no guidance, and I gave up so many times. So I was avoiding creating modules. And then I was watching this video on YouTube of someone friendly. I think I still have that video open now by yeah, someone his name is he's from Egypt. And by the way, most of the tutorials are done by either Egyptians or Indians on YouTube. I'm very thankful to them, but still it's very difficult to understand because of the accent maybe. I don't know. But yeah, they're pretty helpful. So I found someone who was teaching how to create a module, and I was like, oh my God. But it was like only th the video was only 30 minutes long, and I was like, wow, that's very like that's not much time. Let's see what this guy covers like. And then I saw that there's a command by Odoo, like Odoo scaffold, that you can use to create most of the stuff and you can avoid those errors. Like, so you just run udo bin scaffold and name of your plugin, and then it will create the view file for you, the XML files for you, view XML files, and the controller directory and all the default files and everything. So it will do that for you. And I was like, wow, that's great. And then I thought, okay, so this is for creating a new module. What if I want to customize an existing module? And then I learned somewhere I subscribed to publication. They have a 30, I believe, 30-day trial or 10-day trial. There were some details there, but believe me, it was that one was not helpful. So, but I Googled somewhere and I saw someone writing on a forum, on the Odoo forums, which is I don't know why they're not that friendly. They're limiting people to interact. You need to pass some star level in order to write a post. Like what the hell? But anyway, someone posted there how in order to do this, you need to inherit an existing, you have to inherit an existing uh, the existing view, and that was a new concept for me. So, and then I was trying it out, and I was like praying to God, please, this will be great. And what I did is, it's still in front of me right now. I added a button that's amazing. Like actually what I was trying to do is I wanted to add a button, create proposal, which what would do is it will take the name of the customer and the email and all necessary information such as the description that the team member has been writing out. So it will take that out and create a Google Slide document, okay, online. And I have Google's a template somewhere. So I wanted what this button to do is to create a new Google Slide template, okay, copying the existing one and getting all of these details from the ERP, like the name of the customer, their email, their mobile number, and their and the description that will be helpful in creating the scope on that proposal or presentation. So that was my aim. I'm still not there, by the way. Maybe in next video I'm gonna talk about it, but right now I'm happy that okay, using modules, uh, using the standard procedure, I was able to add a button to an existing view, which might not sound that might not sound a lot, but it's like a huge game changer for me because now what I'm gonna do is all the customizations that I have been doing on the existing code, I'm gonna convert them into module. And I have to upgrade my skills a little bit because it's not that simple to just add a button. You need to else also link it with actions. But I believe that would I would do that maybe the next day. So and the upcoming videos might be shorter. I see this one is 11 minutes long. The next one might be maybe 5 minutes because I will avoid all these introductions, and sorry about the hand movings because I'm pretty excited. This is like it really excites one if you upgrade your technical skills and learn and start learning. And yeah, the web is full of knowledge, but when it comes to Odoo, it's I don't like. I feel like they're doing it on purpose. Wallahi, and I feel like the Odoo guys, the enterprise guys, they have the community version, the open source version for marketing. Okay, so you can try Odoo out, but if you really want to, you want the full support and everything, you need to go get the enterprise version. Well, I will eventually go there because I see that okay, their interface is much better. But yeah, for now, I will stick to the open source version and see what like I'm waiting for that point like when I say okay, that's it. I cannot work on like if I don't have the enterprise version. But for till now, I don't think uh I have to upgrade to the enterprise version. Or let's see if you think you can change my mind, use the comment section below. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And I don't promise I will answer all of them, but I will try my best. All right, thank you so much.